Today's top tip is all about visualization or imagery. In a meta-analysis on the effects of imagery interventions in sports, the authors concluded that overall imagery was confirmed to be an effective strategy for enhancing various outcomes in sports. So why can we not use this technique to enhance our performance in our postgraduate studies or our research projects? How to use visualizations. In this paper, titled Imaging Success, Multiple Achievement Goals and the Effectiveness of Imagery, the authors used a very interesting method, and I do recommend that you use the same when you visualize your success. The authors describe this technique as the PETTLEP technique. Now, PETTLEP, as they describe, is a specific imagery technique that is considered most effective and is currently most prominent. The acronyms indicates that physical, environment, task, timing, learning, emotional, and perspective relevant aspects of the imagery all need to be aligned with the aspects of the actual activity. This means that the activity state, for example, the clothes and attributes, the environment, the playing field, the specific movements involved in the actual activity and the speed of the actual activity all need to be the same as in the actual movement. Further, the athlete should adapt the imagery to his or her current skill level to experience the emotions he or she would experience in a game situation. And finally, to view the situation from his or her own perspective as it would have been seen if he or she was to carry out the activity him or herself, although sometimes using a different perspective may be useful. Now, this means that you need to include some very specific aspects into your imagery. So how do you go about it? You find a safe place, you close your eyes, and you see the story in your mind's eye. And you need to do it multiple times a day. For example, you are presenting your research protocol to the panel. You are really stressed and you really want to achieve success on that day and to have a good outcome. Close your eyes and imagine what you are wearing, the look and smell of the room you are in. How you are confidently presenting your slides, how you are calmly responding to questions, how you feel once it's over and all went well, and how others are congratulating you on a good presentation. Visualization can really help you achieve your goals. Try it out and enjoy the success.
If you found this video helpful, smash the like button. For more useful tips to boost your research experience, subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. And while you're at it, hit the bell so that you get notified whenever I produce a new video. If you need a solution to a challenge not yet covered on my channel, leave a comment in the box below. See you in the next video.